For some reason, nakuha ko rito agad-agad, no, yung word na healing. Is there something here bothering you? Because for that very specific right off the bat, no, na message, no, nakuha natin dito na parang kailangan mo ata dito ng healing, kagalingan, no, or kailangan mo rito, no, ng very calming, no, na parang magpapakalma na sitwasyon sa'yo. So maybe you're experiencing here something difficult right now. And I think, stuck ka roon. Stuck ka roon sa isip mo. Okay, pwedeng iniisip mo ito na dadala mo ito sa trabaho mo or kung ano man ginagawa mo, no? Or this is something here na hindi mo maalis sa isip mo, no? And for some reason, I think this is something here na hindi lang nababother, kundi it's like a torture here. And I think you're trying to bear it all by yourself. Yeah, because I heard that song, you know that song? All by myself. So what does that mean? Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so ilatag naman na natin lahat mga babes, no, sa ating table ang energies na bago natin tuluyan na pag-usapan pa ito more. Alam mo yung feeling na parang hindi ka marunong mag-swimming, no? Tapos, nandun ka sa isang sitwasyon na hindi ka marunong mag-swimming, tapos, ang taas ng tubig, like lampas tao. Ganong klase ng feeling, no? And you're struggling, no? In this type of situation here, ganong klase ng feeling. And if this is your reading here, I think meron ka ritong natuklasan or nalaman ng pwedeng biglaan or posibleng unexpected or hindi sinasadya, no? Ganun mo ito na-describe. Pwedeng meron ka ritong nalaman, no? So, hindi ko alam kung ito ba ay patungkol sa'yo or patungkol to sa ibang tao. Pero pinag-iisipan mo to, no? Ngayon ng sobra-sobra. So yeah, hi and hello there collective. Maraming thank you po sa inyong walang sawang suporta. And hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome. Tuloy po kayo here. At sa mga returning subscribers, no, at yung mga nag-subscribe rin dito sa Dalnim, galing sa The High Priestess Tarot. Maraming salamat sa iyo, babe. Yan, no? So, wala tayong gender here. Bae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can flip roles if you want. But here, ayaw mo nung nalaman mo. So, pwedeng posibleng narinig mo lang to ng hindi sinasadya. Nalaman mo ng biglaan ng hindi sinasadya. So, kung ano man yung bagay na yan, no, this causes you to have sleepless nights. Naiisip mo to, nadadala mo hanggang sa trabaho or kung sa school, no? Whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates. Yung iba rito, pwedeng mga students kayo, o yung iba pwedeng nagtatrabaho na, pero dito, meron kayong nalaman na pwedeng biglaan or hindi sinasadya. Ganun nyo siya i-describe. Pero, for me, I'm a reader who believes that everything happens for a reason. So, ito ay hindi basta lang na nalaman mo dahil hindi ito sinasadya, no, or ito ay nagkataon lang. Like, hindi. Okay? Ganito mo lang siya napapakahulugan kasi this caught you by surprise, no? Nagulat ka rito sa nalaman mo, and parang ikaw to na parang sana hindi ko na lang yun narinig, sana hindi ko na lang yun nalaman, kasi with the Eight of Swords energy, no, right at the top of your reading, which means na-stuck ka rito. Actually, nag-iisip ka with the Knight of Swords energy, and there's this Four of Coins energy, nag-iisip ka kung gagawa ka ba ng action dito? Like, magiging open ka ba dito? Okay, maybe this is something here na lumalabas bilang somewhat complicated, no? Na parang gagawa ka ba ng desisyon na solusyonan ito, or mananahimik ka na lang at itatago mo na lang itong katotohanan na to? So, whether it involves you, kung ikaw man yung kasali rito, no, since this is general reading, or whether this is something here that you find out, no, sa mga kakilala or ka-close mo or sa pamilya mo, no, iniisip mo dito, mga babes, no, yung gagawa ba ako ng aksyon o itatago ko na lang tong nalaman, nakita, o natuklasan ko? I-open ko ba to at sasabihin ko ba to sa mga involved o wag na lang? Why are you doing that? The presence of Death card energy, High Priestess, Ten of Swords. Dahil meron ditong mas masasaktan. So whether it involves you or whether it involves someone else, or pwedeng meron kang natuklasan, no, sa mga kaibigan mo, or tungkol to sa mga kaibigan mo, no, like, yung iba pwedeng hindi to tungkol sa'yo, pero involved dito yung mga close mo. Pwedeng pamilya mo, your mom, your dad, or your best friend, no, yung mga close friends mo, no, or pwedeng ikaw din mismo. The Tower is an indication here that this is something here shocking to you. Like, hindi ka rin makapaniwala dito sa nalaman mo. That card right here, this is something here, no, na parang almost feels like na napakalaking truth nito. So, wala tayo ritong specific talaga nakikita, pero this is some kind of a big truth na ikagigimbal ng lahat. Pero dito, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na parang bakit ganito, nagdadalawang isip ka, no? I'm getting that word protect. You want to protect here. If this is something here na tungkol sa mga kaklose mo o sa pamilya mo, posibleng gusto mo silang protektahan from this. If this is something here na tungkol naman sa'yo, no, like ikaw yung involved or main character dito, no, this is also you. You could be also thinking of protecting here more likely, no, yung sarili mo. Think about this. Because your advice na nakikita ko rito coming from your angels and spirit guides is the Three of Swords energy, Ace of Swords, Seven of Wands energy, and the High Priestess is the main energy, no? Dito sa sentro ng reading mo. Ibig sabihin lang dito, think about this. Kung natatakot ka na makasakit ka, kung involved man yung pamilya mo rito or tungkol to sa mga close mo na mga kaibigan, no, like pwedeng may natuklasan ka tungkol sa kanila at alam mo yung truth na yon, no, pag tinago mo ba yan, higit ba silang masasaktan doon? O pag sinabi mo yan? O kung tungkol man to sa sarili mo, pag tinago mo ba yan, hindi ba ganun katindi yung sakit? Kumpara sa kung sasabihin mo yan, think about the pain. Because whatever option you choose, someone will definitely get hurt. meron talaga ditong nasaktan, meron talaga ditong masasaktan, timeless 'to, puwedeng nangyari na, nangyayari ngayon, or puwedeng hindi pa at mangyayari pa lang sa kasalukuyan. Because I think you're protecting here something. Kung sarili mo pinoprotektahan mo rito, are you really protecting yourself 'pag tinago mo 'yan? Are you gonna bear that pain for how long? Think about the long term. If you really want to protect someone, if this is yourself or tungkol to sa ibang tao, no, dahil may natuklasan ka sa kanila, yung paglibing ba dyan sa katotohanan na yan, ay tingin mo na magpoprotekta sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo na close mo, kung tungkol man sa kanila ito? Like let's say, pag sinabi mo yung truth, yes, masasaktan sila. Pag may natuklasan ka about them, yes, masasaktan sila. But they can easily start, no? Like, let's say, no, pwede na silang magsimula, no? After nilang marinig yung truth na yun, yes, masasaktan sila. The presence of 10 of Wands, 10 of Swords energy, no? Pero binanggit ko 10 of Wands, no? 10 of Wands is dropping the burdens, no? Mas may chance sila na madrop yung burdens na yun ng mas maaga, mas makapag-heal ng mas maaga, no? Compare sa tinatago, no? Yung truth sa kanila. If you plan to bring the truth, no, ng matagal, no, and you know that, magpapasaya ba talaga yun sa'yo? Na alam mo yung katotohanan na ganun? If this is here something related na literal sa betrayal, is this something here na talaga bang pinoprotektahan mo sila? Or you're hurting them more because you're hiding the truth? Think about the long term. Pag sinabi mo yung truth na yan sa kanila ngayon, posible silang masaktan, pero pwede na silang magsimula ulit na ibangon yung sarili nila. But if you choose to hide that truth until, no, sa dulo or sa huli, no, parang yung tinatawag na parang kasabihan na parang hanggang sa huling hukay, no, or huling hininga, no, tatago yung katotohanan, no. And what if that truth is nalaman nila? Because ang truth ay nagsusumigaw, no, at hindi ito nadadala sa hukay, mga babes, no, dahil ang truth ay lumalabas kahit anong mangyari. 'Di ba? So if you really are trying to protect them, then you have to think more. Dapat mo bang itago yan hanggang sa hukay? Or sasabihin mo yan ngayon? Because I think you're trying to protect the pain, but I think you're not seeing here something here much deeper, which means, yun nga yun. Diba? Ano nga ba yung tunay na makakapagpasakit at makakapag-suffer sa kanila? And if this is about yourself, at ikaw yung main character dito, and you know the truth because you're protecting here yourself, ayaw mong matapos yan, ayaw mong mag-end yan, ano man yung sitwasyon na yan, because you feel comfortable with that, okay, nasanay ka dyan, no? At feeling mo hindi mo kaya, then think about the long term. Every day you will suffer that type of feeling, knowing the truth but hiding it. What's important here is the long term and what sets you free. And if this involves other people, what sets them free? The truth will come out. And it will always come out. Whatever happens here. Choose your happiness. Secrets and lies are not meant to stay, no, na mabaon sa lupa, no? Because secrets, lies, and truths, yun yung mga bagay na kahit anong mangyari, lalaya at lalaya, lilipad at lilipad, kahit wala kang gawin. All you need to do is, if you're trying to protect here your loved ones or you're trying to protect here yourself, then set the truth free. Because here, your angels and spirit guides wants you to listen to your intuition. May masasaktan at may masasaktan dito, pero at least napalaya mo yung truth. Because truth, lies, and secrets are meant na lumabas. Okay? So, make a decision right here with the King of Swords energy, the Hangman right here, and the Six of Pentacles. Ano nga ba yung mas kailangan? Itago yan? Hayaan yan? O ilabas yan? Think about it more. Okay? So, yun nga, hindi ako para makialam rito ng mga babes. Ito yung nakikita ko rito sa reading ninyo because kung ano man tong natuklasan ninyo, hindi ito biro sa pinapakita ninyo sa akin, no? Because this is something here that will cause this biggest hurt into someone's life. But think about the long run. Think about the long term here. Okay? You need to set the truth free, no matter what. Okay? But at the end of the day, you still have your free will, and this will not resonate to each and every one of you. But if this feels like it's almost killing you, then there's something wrong to it. You need to free yourself. Don't let yourself get drowned to this. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. Take your time, think about it more. Okay? So yeah, ito mga messages here for you. Thank you so much. Sarang Heyo, love and light. Annyeong.